Yo, sup? I just went to the beach, got back, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make myself a salad. And then I was like, yo, why don't I show you what I do? Because that's how we roll. They see me rolling. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how I make my salad, if that's okay with you. So what we got here is a bunch of stuff that I'm gonna put together into a salad bowl. So I've already got a whole bunch of baby spinach. This is like 5 big handfuls. This salad is just for me, by the way. Like, I know that looks like a big bowl, but salads are salads. Like, you can eat heaps of them. I'm gonna add in some basil, some cashews, some raspberries, some chia seeds, some hemp seeds, salt, pepper, and then the dressing I'm gonna do a little bit of extra virgin olive oil and apple cider vinegar, maybe some balsamic vinegar, because I do like balsamic vinegar, I'll find that. Mango, red onion, avocado, and lime. So that is what we're working with, kids. So now we've got all this. I'm just gonna finish cutting up the avocado because I don't want it in full pieces. I want it in half pieces, half. And finish cutting up the mango. So if you guys don't know how to cut mango cheeks like this, I can show you. So you start with a full mango, pretend this was there, and then the seed is in the middle beneath this little pip. So you kind of figure out where it is amongst that, probably about there-ish, and then when you cut you can actually feel it. And then you slide down alongside the seed, so then you've left with a cheek. And then in the cheek, you simply go a couple of lines this way, and a couple of lines this way, like this. And then you use your fingers and you push from the bottom and it'll open out. Ta-da! How good does that look? So now I've got my mango. I love this bit, so don't ever throw this away. It's got such good bits in it. Cut off that top part, that ugly part, and then you put your thumb beneath the skin and you peel all the way around, like so. Yes. Ta-da! Then you can just kind of chew on this for a while. Okay, so now we've got my salad of greens, as in just baby spinach. And we start adding everything in. So we got some red onion, sprinkle. I prepared it earlier, I cut it up earlier. And then we go mango, cut off the cheeks. All the little squares that we just made. And then if you're like me and you don't like wasting mango, you'll chew on these. And then we're gonna add in some basil leaves. These will give it some flavor. And some cashews, raspberries, I'll save most of the raspberries for the topping, some avocado, add in some lime juice, grab the lime, squeeze it in. So a little trick that I was taught is to get a fork or something abrasive and put it into the flesh and squeeze. But I like just getting my hands dirty, to be honest. Grab some tongs, give it a little mix. Let's go for some apple cider vinegar. This one has the mother and it's organic, so the mother is the stuff down the bottom, and you want that. Bit of that. Bit of olive oil. Love me some oil. Bit of salt. I use pink Himalayan rock salt. I don't know why, I just like it because it's pink. And then mix it up again. Ooh, losing it overboard. So then it looks like this. And then we add in a couple more chia seeds all over, just sprinkle that around. Don't be shy. Chia seeds are good for you. Some hemp seeds. Love hemp seeds. Yes. Bit of pepper. Top it off with the avocado that we got left. And a couple of pieces of lime. Ta-da! This is the final product. Yes, yes queen, get in my belly. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Big delicious salad in like 5 minutes.